Alright, what's up YouTube? So, back in the shed and going to be making another project. This one's going to be for the house. So it's just going to be quick and it's going to be pretty basic, but I think it's going to be work really well and it's going to be helpful for the house. And so basically the idea is that I've got these two bins and they connect with the top bit, but my older boy just sort of pulls at them and gets into them and throws stuff around. So, and it just doesn't look that good. It's just sitting in the, and I'll show you the spot in a minute where they sit. And it's a space in the kitchen that I'm not sure what they had there. Maybe another freezer. Don't 100% know, but there's a proper cutout there. So I'm basically going to be building a drawer that can hold these two, and then I've got these big slidey doodads, and they're like the pushy ones, which is cool. And basically I'm just going to be making it out of a few different scraps and bits and pieces that I've got around the shop. And yeah, so if you want to check out how I do it, stick around. Peace. Just drew on a scrap piece just here, just so we had something to use. And obviously when I do all the handles, I'll replace that. But yeah. Alright, so all done. Pretty happy with how it turned out. Definitely could be better. But for a rough sort of make it out of what I had laying around, out of some chipboard and other stuff, it works pretty well. And I think it'll be great for the kitchen. And I think eventually once I figure out what I'm doing for all of the kitchen, I'll be able to put a nice front on it, same as the rest, so it all matches, and it'll look pretty good. Because the bones of our kitchen are good, it needs a revamp, and so there's no point me putting in a ton of work for this when I have no idea if I'm going to even use it or not. Like, I'll use the idea and I'll use the whole thing, but I don't know if I won't use the front, obviously, because it's pretty crappy. You saw it. It's just boring white. It's just not crappy looking plywood. Slightly better. It's crappy looking painted plywood. Blah blah blah. Say that a few times. Yeah. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, it'll be up there. If you want to check out another video, that'd be cool. It might be like there somewhere if I can make it work. Sometimes I can. Yeah. Hit like. Anything you want to do. Instagram, that'd be cool. Peace.